Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to deploy a Blazor application onto Microsoft Azure. So I assume you have your Blazor application ready, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to be using a sample Blazor application. I'm going to be using the sample template. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new Blazor app. So I'm just going to click on Blazor app, click on next, and give it a project name, sample project, and click create. So if you're using your own Blazor application, it's fine, but if you want to go ahead and continue with this, then go ahead and continue with this. So click on create, so Blazor server app, and click on create and give it some time. Right, so now that we've set up our new Blazor application, I'm just gonna run it and show you guys how it looks like. So I'm just gonna click on run, and I'm gonna show you guys what the application is. So it's just a basic application. So it's alright if you use your own application, just follow along. So I'm running it now, and just give it some time. Right, so as you can see, this is the application. So it's a sample project and it's a fully working application. So I'm going to be deploying this onto Azure, and then I will be showing you the live application on Azure. So right, this is the application. So I'm going to go ahead and close it, and yeah, so that's the application. So the next thing you're going to want to do is, so once you run your application, once your application has been fully completed, what you need to do is you need to open the Solution Explorer. So the Solution Explorer, if you just type it in over here, Solution Explorer, you should be able to find it. So this is my Solution Explorer. So the next thing you're going to want to do is right click on your project. So in my case, it's sample project. And what you want to do is you want to publish, right? So you just click on publish. Right. So when you're on this pick a publish target, it should be on app service. And click on advanced settings. So click on advanced settings and give it some time. And right. So your deployment mode, you can choose to a framework dependent, or you can do self-contained. So click on self-contained, and your target runtime, you can choose 86 or 64, but in this case I'm going to use 64, or you can just click on 86. It's not a problem. So just give it some time to discover the data context. And right, so now that you've done this, so it should be on release mode. Configuration should be on release mode, and click on save. Right, so now that you've done that, you should create a new Azure App Service. So click on create new Azure App Service and create profile. Right, so this is my sample app, and you need to give it a name. So go ahead and give it a name, and in my case I'm just going to give it as sample application, or just give it sample application demo. Right, so sample application demo. Subscription is going to be Azure for Students. Okay, I'm going to keep it that way. A resource group, I'm going to actually click a new one, create a new one for now. Your resource group name, I'm gonna type it as sample app. Okay, right. Hosting plan, I'm gonna keep it as Japan East. Okay, keep it for that. And application insights is gonna be none. So this should be it for now. And once you've set up your subscription, so in my case it's a student application. If in your case it could be pay as you go. So just check that. And once you check all this, just click on create and give it some time. Right, so now that we've set this up properly, so just give it a review, and this will be your site URL. So in this case it will be a site URL, and this is your summary. So go ahead and click on publish and give it some time. Right, so as you can see guys, our application has been uploaded onto Azure. So our Blazor application is up and running. So it was a successful upload. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my site URL and attempt to visit it. So open Google, just paste it in here and click enter, and it should be up and running. Right, so as we can see, this is our sample project. So it's up and running. It's on the Azure website. It's on the Azure portal. And as you can see, it's successfully running. So once again, guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, just post it in the description below, comment section below. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial.